Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will be making the dough for roti, which is also known as chapati. Roti or chapati is a form of flatbread primarily eaten in the South Asian countries. For this, you will need two ingredients only: flour, this is 100% whole wheat stone ground flour, and some lukewarm water in a bowl. Before touching the flour, make sure your hands are clean and washed because you will be kneading this dough with your hands. I'm going to add a little bit of water at a time and start forming a ball with the dough. You'll see this eventually. It starts to form like crumbs, I'm going to add a little bit more and I'm going to start forming a ball. So this is known to be the hard part of it, like making the roti at home or making the chapati at home. But honestly, I've learned this, if I make this every other day, the dough for it, and it lasts me for 2 days. And for the kids, it's very good as well. If I don't have anything on hand, I can just make a paratha with this and just make some egg, and they will happily enjoy it. They'll eat it. So I don't see any hard part in it. Once you get the hang of it, and once you become more and more experienced in it, it'll become second nature to you. I always have this in the fridge. So as you can see, I'm fast forwarding a little bit. Continue adding water and just forming a ball on the side. A little bit more left. Now I'm going to put it all together, combine it, and now it's actually going to form a semi-ball, and you'll see this happening right now. Just cleaning all the edges of the tray. This is actually a special tray. It's from Pakistan. It's called a parat, and basically you make the dough for the roti in this. You can use it for other purposes as well, but primarily it's used for this. I'm cleaning off my fingers, whatever dough I have on my fingers, I'm cleaning it off and I'm putting it on. And now I'm going to take some water, wet my hands a little bit, pat it on the dough so it doesn't stick to my hands. And I'm going to make a fist with both of my hands, and I'm going to put pressure on the dough. You see it's flattening with the pressure of my hands. And then I'm going to grab it from the end that's farther away from me and fold it into third. One, and then again into another third. I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to do the same thing over again. I'm going to fast forward here again. So the same thing over, just putting pressure. And now fold it into thirds and thirds again. Whatever a little bit is left on the tray, you just clean it off and put it on top. Now I'm actually fast forwarding it, and I'm going to do it like roughly 5 to 6 times until the dough becomes smooth. And you will see it. You will start to feel it, because before it will be a lumpy texture, and the more you knead it, the smoother it will become. But don't knead it too much either. I will do it one last time now. Knead the dough and fold it over, and it should be done then. You need to basically, after you are done kneading it, you'll feel the texture is smooth. It's not hard. the dough is soft. It went a little bit off camera, but I think you get the point that the dough is soft. It's not that hard. So what I will do next is that I will take out the water that was in the bowl and I will store the dough in that same bowl. I will wet my hands again one last time and just pat it on the top so it doesn't form a crust. It stays soft. This is what it should look like. I'm going to go wash my hands now and I will be back with the saran wrap. I am back and I'm going to close the top with the press and seal and just wrap it up. And I'm going to keep it in the fridge for at least 30 to 45 minutes. You need to keep it in the fridge for that long before you start making the rotis, because if you do it before, the roti is going to start breaking. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like, and comment and share my video. Thank you so much.